Okay, so my sneakers, I love a pair of white sneakers, but I like to keep them white. And these ones, as you can see, are not looking very white anymore. These have had a lot of use. So I got these sneaker cleaning wipes by the brand Swipes that I want to try out. I have not tried them yet, so I am going to try them right now. They come in 12 individually wrapped wipes, and they're dual textured, so they're smoother on one side and a more, I guess, ribbed or more textured on the other side, so for sort of the more problem spots, I guess, on your sneakers. So let's see how these work out. I'm gonna just open them. So it says to start on the smooth side of the wipe and then move to the other side. So let's see. I'm just going to show you them here. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the package. This side that I've got up here is the more textured. I can feel it feels almost like little raised bubbles or something on it. And then this side is smooth. So let's see. Here's my sneaker. Let's see how this works. You know what? It's because there's some really dirty. Wow. I'm going to show you the other. This is just doing it with just the smooth side. And it's even got some where this, I think you can see there where the shoelaces have even gotten it kind of dirty in there. But I'm pretty impressed with how, I'm just going to do this part too. On the top. Just see how I got the matching shoe to it, so we can see what the difference looks like. But just to tell you as I'm doing this, I mean, you can see on the wipe itself, it looks pretty dirty now. On the shoe, I mean, these ones, the work is cut out for them with these shoes because they're pretty nasty. But let's see. I'm just going to bring the other shoe over. And this is the one that I've just done the toe kind of on the wipe, and look at the difference. I would say I'm pretty impressed. Because like I said, I have never cleaned these shoes, and I've had them for over a year. I do take pretty good care of my shoes, but over the year they did get a little bit mucky. So there's the dirty one. You can see all the scuffing and dirt on the toe. And that one is looking pretty fantastic, I'm going to have to say. Yeah, I would recommend, look at this. Okay, so I'm also going to show you, look at that wipe. It's got a lot of dirt on it. So they do work, absolutely work. I would highly, highly recommend these. It's a good price point. And like I said, you get this little package. You get 12 of them in here. They smell good too. So they'll make your shoes smell a little bit better. And it says they're suitable for use on most materials, including leather, fabric, and rubber. And these are leather shoes that I was trying them on. They look great. It's not, it's not damaging them in any way. So yeah, I would recommend these. And I just want to do a quick shout out to the brand Swipes. Thank you so much for sending these to me. As you can see, I needed them. My shoes needed a little clean. Truce, in the interest of full disclosure, I've bought more sneakers just because these were so dirty, and I wasn't sure how to clean them because they're leather and you don't want to throw them in the wash, and I hadn't really. So when I saw these, I was pretty excited, and now I can put these shoes back in the rotation when I might need a couple wipes for these because, like I said, it's been a long time that I've had these and they haven't been cleaned. But like I said, test them out. You will keep your shoes new and it will save you some money on new shoes. Get yourself some. Thanks again, Swipes.